Hi guys, welcome to Printride. I'm your host Zanveer, and today we're going to do cardboard printing. Cardboard printing. We are going to do the logo branding on the cardboard with the help of our automatic machine. So let's go start. And why we are doing cardboard? Because this is the hardest substance you will be finding in the market. Thickness is more, height is more, everything is more. So if you are able to do in cardboard, definitely you can able to do in any other substances. So guys, this is very thick. So let's start the video by printing in cardboards. And one more thing guys, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you like the video, don't forget to like and share, and connect to our bell icon so that you will get a faster notification whenever we upload video. So guys, and if you want this machine or you want to start anything in printing or any advice, give a call in the given number in our screen, or for further details visit our website printride.com. So guys, without any delay, let's start the video. So guys, first of all, for starting the video, we'll have to make the alignments. Like we are marking the corners of the cardboard. So we are making the corners of the cardboard. So wherever we'll fit it here, it will come in this corner and we can do the print. And one more thing guys, this actually is a big size print. So little bit is the gap is there in this, the screen become little bit more than the print area, but we'll try, we'll see how the print come. And we have done the corner markings so that we can put the cardboard here while printing, and we'll do PVC ink. So we already have mixed the ink here. This is a PVC ink, oil based PVC ink. We'll be pouring here and do the print. And guys, one more thing, while you are doing the print, we need to do it fast. So I'm not able to explain you much in the printing process while printing, but in before and after we'll do the talking part. So now we set this thing, all the cardboard will come in that same points, the same alignments what you have done, both the side, pour the ink, continuous printing. Okay guys, let's pour the ink. So guys, we have done the printing. Might be you have seen how good the printing came. Every edge and sharpness is there. So hope you enjoyed the video. Well, you saw the printing. We are doing 10 printing, back to back printing we have done. So all the printing came perfectly. And this what we are going to use a branded box of Printride. We will be putting the printed material here and we will be sending to our customers like this. So guys, this is for our own company. Like this you can print for your client or you can print for your own company. And cardboard box is the highest one, so it is very heighted. There also you can print it, we have printed very smoothly. So with this machine you can print all the other particles where flat surface, and it is easily printable. So guys, this is the showcase, and the mesh what you have used, that is 355 number mesh, and the color is PVC color. And if you have any other query in this machine, and one more thing, people think that we can't take it out. You have seen how smoothly I have taken it out and taken the other thing inside. So there's a big gap is there. And second thing, this is a tabletop machine. So you will be getting only this much part. The above you have to put is, this table is not with the machine. You have to get your own table. So guys, that's it for the video. If you have any other query, write down in the comment below, and we'll try to reply you as much as possible. If you want an instant quick reply, call us the number or mail us in our website. So guys, that'll be signing off. Hope you like the video. Next time we'll come with a new video. As I always say, stay tuned. See you soon. Bye bye.